Okay, guys, moving on now to the overall blog. Okay, so we're back on website pages. We've done the blog post. Now I'm going into the main blog, which will display your grid or your list of blogs. And we click to customize, and it's going to open up like this. Okay, you've got your hero section at the top, and then you've got your blog listings, and you control the look of that over here. Now, just a reminder, you need to do the sidebar again. But in the blog listings, you can decide how you want it to display. So do you want it to be like a 3-column grid or wider, 2-column grid, something like that? Do you like the media on the left or on the right? I don't particularly like how that shows up. So I usually go for a grid, usually a 2-column or a 3-column. And what I just quickly wanted to show you here, a little hack, is that if you just use the standard default Kajabi builder, what you might find when you come in here, you've got your list of blogs, is that they don't quite line up. Okay, this one's a little bit off, this one is a lot off, depending on, the size of your words and things that you have used in here. Even when you decide, if you specify to truncate at 120 characters, okay, that can still, if your heading is a bit longer, okay, things just get a little bit out of whack. So I just wanted to include with our training today, just a little bit of CSS code you can put in to make your blogs line up. So you would come over here, and I've got the code, by the way, in the workbook. So refer to the workbook for the code itself. But if you just click into the settings tab and into this custom code block, you'll see that we've got a bunch of code in here for this particular template. Just styling type stuff. It's not custom coded as such, but there are a few little changes that we make using this CSS code block here. If you happen to be working with our templates, don't worry. It doesn't mean just because we've got some stuff in here. When you go to update your templates, if you want to update them to the most current version, Kajabi will pop up like a little warning message that says any changes made in the code editor are going to be erased. The code editor, custom coded themes, is quite different to styling type CSS code that goes in here. So it's absolutely fine to use that updater tool on any of our templates. Okay, not everyone's templates are okay with the updater tool, but if you're working with one of ours, then it's fine. So completely as an aside. All right, so that little bit of code from the workbook, I am just going to put it down. I'm going to put it in here. And I'll just show you what we pasted. We just pasted this bit, okay? This blog dash listing underscore panel, blah, 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 blah. And I've said that I want all of the listings to be 450 pixels high. Now, if I save this and just wait for the page to refresh, okay, you can see now, regardless of the length of the title, the blog title, I've still got 120 characters showing for each of the articles as just a little extract or the introduction, but everything now lines up. So I know that one drives a lot of people crazy, so I just wanted to make sure we did include that for you guys today. Okay, that's all on this one.